How to create shortcuts in Windows 10. Shortcuts let you easily locate and open programs or files you use frequently. This video shows how to create shortcuts to open browsers or other apps on the Start menu, taskbar, or desktop of a Windows 10 computer. It also shows how to create shortcuts to open any item stored on your desktop or within a folder. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. If you like this video, please wait until you are finished watching it, then click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page. A welcome video will play to describe my other videos. In computer literature in the last few years, the term app is used to denote a program, usually a program for a mobile device such as a cell phone. In this video, I'll use the term app to be the same as the term program. Here's the easiest way to create a shortcut for an app. Click the Windows logo to open the Start menu. Select the app you want from either the most used list or if it appears from the just installed list above that. If you don't find it either one of those places, look in the alphabetical list of all apps installed on the computer. Let's pick Adobe Creative Cloud. To create a shortcut on the taskbar, and that is called pinning, to pin a shortcut on the taskbar for Adobe Creative Cloud, press and hold the left mouse button and drag the icon to the taskbar. I'm going to take it off, so I'll unpin it, right click, unpin. You can also do the same thing to drag it to the Start menu, and I've already done that. And again, to remove it from the Start menu, right click, click, unpin from the Start menu. If we want it on the desktop, drag it over there and release. When you drag it to the desktop, you do have the opportunity to rename the shortcut. If a shortcut is selected, you just click the name to edit the name. If the shortcut were not selected, you'd click the shortcut once to select it and then click the name to edit it. Since this one's already selected, I'll click the name to edit it. When you're finished editing a name, just click elsewhere in the window to save the name. Other ways to create shortcuts. You can right-click an app in the Start menu and then select Pin to Start menu, or hover over More, go over and select Pin to Taskbar. It's a little more cumbersome. It's easier to just drag it. Here's how to create a shortcut from an item or shortcut already stored on your desktop. There's two ways to do it. Right-click and release, and select from the menu. Notice there's a menu item to create shortcut. Sometimes it's hard to find the shortcut if you do it that way. I'm recording my left monitor, and that shortcut appeared on the right monitor. So here it is. It's indicating with the arrow that it is a shortcut, and it has the word shortcut in it. And then, of course, as we mentioned earlier, you can rename this. You can do the same thing to something that is a shortcut. Right click. Now this one, since it is a shortcut, you have the option pinning it to the toolbar, the quick access part of the toolbar, which is where we've been pinning things before. You also have the option to just create a shortcut on the desktop, another shortcut on the desktop, and of course you have the option to pin it to the Start menu. Those are the options you get if you right-click on a shortcut. Now, there's another way to create a shortcut of something that's already on the desktop, and that's to right-click and drag. So if we right-click, let's get rid of this extra shortcut. If we right-click and drag this item, and then release, again, a different set of options, but one of them is create a shortcut here. That creates a shortcut where you finish dragging. So that way you can find it easily. Remember, you can't find it easily if you just say, okay, create another shortcut on the desktop, because you don't know where it's going to be. My desktop's pretty complicated. Got a lot of stuff on it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page to watch my other videos.